It's early February and I've been doing some seedling starts in my basement, and Juan wants to have a couple of watermelons started in his shop. So quite a few years ago we bought a store-bought watermelon that had seeds in it. It was delicious. It was from Georgia. I saved the seeds, grew a watermelon the next year, which we ate, saved the seeds, and my watermelons didn't have much success last year. So I've started him, well, he requested it actually, his own little watermelon garden for now, and we'll transplant them later on in the season. So Georgia watermelon 2019 here, Georgia watermelon 2021 right here, and I will deliver this to a shop right now and we'll see how it grows. Here's your watermelons, Juan.
Thank you.
2 different years, 2019 and 2021, because I don't know what's viable or not, so good luck.
These ones are gonna grow. The ones you're doing downstairs, not sure. These ones will grow.
See you later.